Alright, today we're going to use a Wawa air pump. First, you want to set your temperature. Once you set it, you take this, stick it right on here, and you're going to watch the machine. As you fill it up, this will gradually increase to your amount set. When you're done, it's going to do that. Take it off. Remember to make sure it's flush. Do it one more time. Done. That simple. Be careful. Do it twice. You're good to go. How many people actually know to use these pumps? You can always go back and check it too. Start it again if you're not sure. 36. Then go check the firmware. See, it's taking more air. Once it beeps, all done. All done. It's going to beep just like that. And you hang it up. That's how you do it. Simple. Cap your tire. Call it a day. Not that hard. Double check the tires. I tell everybody to.